sacred walk among the tombstones.
Let's go, Mexico!
Ladies and gentlemen, making his debut in All For Wrestling, he is the Shotgun, Antonio Jackson, being accompanied by Dark Angel. He is hailing from Henrietta, New York, weighing in at 250 pounds.
You know I do this for the weed. It's the shotgun. 1, 2, 3, that's another beat. It's the shotgun. 1, 2, 3, that's another beat. It's the shotgun. Gotta go get him, I gotta go get him. Gotta go get him, I gotta go get him. Gotta go get him, I gotta go get him. Say it's the shot, I gotta go get him. Gotta go get him, I gotta go get him. Gotta go get him, I gotta go get him. Gotta go get him, I gotta go.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Dark Angel, and I want to introduce my client here, Anthony Shotgun Jackson.
UW, make some noise for me. Oh my goodness. Can I take this one time? UW, make some noise for me, come on! You know what? A little birdie called me. I'm sitting at home, I'm sitting at home watching America's Got Talent, eating some popcorn. And I get a call representing Phillips, New York. Pretty much. Okay. We'll let you finish. Okay. All right. First and foremost, thank you guys for having me out here. I'd like to thank the UW commissioners, the management, for having your favorite dead walker here in UW. Make some noise one more time. You know what? Some people, all on my Instagram, all in my Facebook fan page, ask me, what exactly am I doing here? What exactly am I doing? And to me, the best Western New York Federation here in New York. That's what am I doing in UW, is plain and simple. Not just the title, buddy. I'm here to do what I was trained to do, and that's become the best. See, a lot of people, they do this sport, they do this for the wrong reasons. They do this for the fame. They do this for the glory. They do this for the titles. They do this for the Instagram followers, the Facebook followers. Me, I do it because I love what I do, and I do it for each and every single one of you. You know what? Earlier I said dead walker, and allow me to explain to you what dead walker to me means. We're living in a very, very rough society where it's so easy to tell a little kid like that he can't do anything. Or they tell a man that he can't do nothing. They tell a female that she can't do nothing. Well, I'm here to remind all of y'all that as a dead walker, I walk with the dead all the time. And I have a lot of people tell me I couldn't do it. A lot of people tell me there is no way I can step foot in a professional wrestling ring.
You will!
You know what? My goal is to not only become the best in UW, but to become the best in professional wrestling, period. And to inspire each and every single one of you, from young to old, from boy to girl, to man to woman, and all over the world. Am I right? All I can say is this. With me standing here, let it be testament to everybody else that's sitting around here right now that paid money to see us. If somebody breaks you off in the back of your back against the corner and tell you can't do it, you tell them, yes, I can. If somebody tells you you're not going to be what you want to be, you can say, yes, I am. I can't hear y'all. I don't even hear y'all. If somebody tells you you can't do nothing, you say, yes, I am. If somebody tells you you're not going to be anybody, you tell them, yes, I am the shotgun, Antonio Jackson, the dead walker. And I promise you, UW, be prepared. Because as long as you see the shotgun, I promise you, you will walk with the dead. Let's go.